You got butt pain? Then you want to palm your butt. So butt pain right here, right? It could be your hip, it could be your butt. So I just played tennis today, so I've got a little butt soreness. So I figured I'd do a little QRA acupressure for you, right? So you're gonna take your palm and you're literally gonna palm your behind, your butt, right? So if the pain in your butt is in the muscle, guess what? In the palm, you're gonna look to your palm. Where's muscle? See, you see this big muscle right here? You see this big muscle right here? So you're gonna pick one muscle first. You're gonna dig in and find that tender spot. And once you find that tender spot, hold it for 10 seconds. It's gonna hurt like, yeah, it's gonna hurt like hell. Put it for 10 seconds, right? And then you're gonna do the sway, back, side to side, do the sway, side to side. And you should see the butt pain, you should feel the butt pain immediately decrease. If it doesn't, then you wanna go to the other side of your butt, right here. So you're gonna dig on this piece of muscle right here. You're gonna dig on it and find a tender spot, hold it for 10 seconds, and then you're gonna do the dance, side to side dance, right? Side to side dance until that pain goes away. Now, if that still doesn't go away, it might be in the joint. So if it's in the joint, guess what? You're gonna find the joint. Not in the muscle, you're gonna find it in the joint. And press on the joint for 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds, really hard, it's gonna hurt, and then you do the dance side to side. You should at least see your butt pain start to decrease immediately. If you like these QRA, quick restorative acupressure, follow me.